Hello everyone. Today this is the first lecture of the technical analysis video series that we are going to start. And technical analysis is completely different with the fundamental analysis. In technical analysis, we talk about stocks. We basically see the stocks for the shortest span of time. In fundamental analysis, we see the stock for the longer term for making wealth, and for earning the money in shorter duration, we see the technical analysis. And in this course, I am going to teach you each and everything which you require to learn the stocks, how to trade, how to see the patterns, what are the candlesticks, and everything. So let's start. This is the first introduction video, and before going further, I would like to give you a disclaimer that I am not a SEBI registered advisor, and this is only for the education purpose. I'm not responsible for any loss and profit. This is only for the education and for making you learn how actually uh, in the market trading works. So let's deep dive into the course and what is actually you are going to learn and what you're actually going to gain from this. So this is a beginner friendly course where from the very basic you will learn it. Firstly, talking about what is technical analysis. This is the first lecture of the series where you will learn what is the technical analysis, what are the terms which is being used in the technical analysis, and further we will move. What are the types of charts? Basically, there are different types of charts that you will learn in this series. Further, we will go to see the trading view platform where most of the traders use this platform to see how actually they analyze, they create trends, they create different patterns which they are going to trade. So TradingView is a good platform where all the traders go for making their strategies. And next we will learn about candlestick basics, and this is all about how different candles are formed, what are the psychology behind forming of different candles. And after learning the basics we will go deeper, because this cover the main basic crux of the uh, technical analysis. Next we will go deeper about the different types of trends the market follows. Basically there are three type of trends. First is the uptrend, second is the downtrend, and third is the flat, or we call it as sideways trend. And after learning the trends we will go deep into the topics where chart patterns we see different chart patterns, head and shoulder chart pattern, and different patterns you will learn in the chart pattern video. And after learning the chart pattern you will go deep inside the candlestick patterns, how different candlesticks are formed and how it is being uh, accumulated with different trends and different patterns of charts, and how candlesticks are being actually formed in the real market. After learning this whole basics, you will get to learn about the advanced knowledge where actually different price action strategies, how volumes are traded, how different uh, stocks perform based on volumes, how they rise up, they fall, different price are being determined by the volumes. And after learning the basics we go deep inside, we combine the strategies which we learn in the basics like the chart pattern, the candlestick patterns, and then the trends. We analyze it accordingly, we add it with the price action strategies and make it a wonderful trade so that you can earn profit. I know only one thing, that at the end, at after the close of the market, I just want to see the green, only green profits in my account. And price action advance will make you almost 60% confident that you will be able to trade. But this is only 60%. After learning the next thing, that is the technical indicator. These are the indicators which we use in the live market, where You will learn how this indicators that our strategy is really going to apply or not. But remember, this is just the indicator. This is not the confirmation. You have to confirm and then you have to go into the trade. And covering this, all the price action, technical analysis, indicators, candlestick patterns, these are only 70% of the knowledge that you will gain. The main 30% knowledge is all about professional trading. This is the important thing which 99% trader miss, the risk management. You always have to remember this. Whenever you are going into some trade, you must have a plan to exit that trade. That is the risk management. How much money you are going to trade, how much risk you are going to take. These are the most crucial part that you should remember before getting into any trade. And after covering this, you will learn the trade psychology. What is the emotion? What is the discipline that you should follow while going into any trade? This is very much important. And at the end, we will learn about life management, because there is nothing like uh, or every time you're doing the trading or getting different ideas, different strategies you are applying, you have to manage your life. At the end, you have to balance between your trading life and your personal life. This is very much important. And I guarantee you, when you go through this course, you will really love it. And I also warn you, before completing this course, you don't take any trade, because the most important part is the end part, where you really get to know that trading is just the one side of the coin. The other side is very, very different, and you have to know both the side before going into anything random. And the last part, which is the most important, the live implementation, where I will implement different live on the market, uh, different indicators, patterns I will apply and show you how actually trade we take and how to manage the risk also. This is the last part, and you will love it when you're applying your concepts into it. So I am looking forward to make you a successful trader. Thank you, and best of luck.